Good morning, everyone. This is what I woke up to this morning. Snow on the ground. And there was I'm standing at my door, so I'm not quite outside because I'm really just getting up good. And the birds are awfully noisy. I don't know if you could see them out here. But this is what came to my attention. I don't know if you could see them up there in the trees. A whole bunch of birds around here. And this is what really brought my attention to come to see what was all the ruckus about with the birds. I'm trying to wait until the cars pass by so you could see if you could hear these birds. And that tree over there that I'm pointing to, there's crows. Something is going on because the birds don't usually act like this over here. And they're like just flying all over the place. I don't know if the camera is catching it or not. I really don't. But it's right around here. I know my delivery guy had told me last week that one of my neighbors across the street had passed away. And so, I don't know if that's why the birds are acting like this. So now there's two real fat birds right there in that tree. I don't know if you can see them or not. I don't even know what kind of birds they are. I don't know if they're sparrows. But I think that some of them are crows. I just don't know, y'all. I don't know what's going on. But you know what? The temperature is kind of mild. But it doesn't, well, you can tell that the snow is melting because it's dripping down off the porch. All these birds, I don't know. Maybe they're excited to see the snow. I don't know. Birds, crows, here goes my friend Amazon. Amazon is right there, y'all. I think I'm going to get a chance to see this one if he comes up here. I don't know if he's coming up here or not, but I think I am just expecting some toilet paper. A big old box of toilet paper. It's only like 11, I think it's 11 o'clock. Look at the birds, I'm telling you. And so, I mean, they're all right here. And I can't, because of this I'm doing this with my phone, and so therefore, it's hard to really capture all of the activity these birds are doing. I mean, they flying and then they're keeping a hope. Keeping noise and everything. Oh, even over here in this tree. And I mean, them birds, look at that, come right up here. Get away from here. Oh my God. They must be excited about something. Something is about to go down. I don't know what it is. Because every time birds start acting like this here, when I start to notice that something happens, or somebody dies, or something like that. Look at that. Over here. See, this is when I need one of those big cameras, that I can really zoom in on what's going on, because I'm not a very good photographer. I'm not. Now that looks like a crow. And then I'll tell you something else that happened before over here. There was a hawk in the neighborhood. And that hawk was in this tree right here in front of mine, right there. Because my daughter came over here. This was a couple of years ago. And she says, there's a hawk out there. I said, a what? She said, a hawk. I said, no. I said, ain't no hawk out there. I said, don't have hawks over here like that. She said, well, there's one in the tree. And lo and behold, I come outside, and there's a hawk out there. And that same hawk, I think I wrote it in another video, was in that same hawk. He was over there to the grocery store, and people out there just taking pictures of it. Because, he had actually snatched a seagull. Now, you tell me this is normal? This is normal right here, y'all? What's going on? You see all these birds? And they're flying around in the air. Now, this is my yard. They're right here in my yard like that. And I'm standing right here in the door. And I'm talking. Look at that. This is like, oh my goodness. I don't know if these are sparrows. They're different type of sparrows. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Now, I know you hear that sound. That's a crow. Oh, crow is over here. Now, these birds are getting very bold. You see how close they're coming to me? And as soon as that truck came by, I guess that noise came, they took off and left. Oh my God, I can't believe it. But anyway, I'm going back in the house, y'all, because I'm getting chilly. Because I don't even have a sweater. I don't have on any long sleeves or nothing. And I'm going back in. And my heat just kicked on, so you know it's got to be. I've been out there, had the door open a little bit too long. But I tell you, I never seen anything like it. Well, yes, I have. Yes, I have. I have once before I've seen something like it. And that's my breakfast. I know it has gotten, let's see, soggy. Let me just double check, y'all. And it's dark in here. I don't know what the heck is going on. It got soggy, but it's still pretty good. Well, this is Vlogmas number, what's the date? Oh, number 9. This is Vlogmas number 9. And on that note, y'all, I have to get here because you know how when I can't turn the phone around, that's my TV over there. It's 11:29 a.m. Vlogmas number 9, December the 9th. And let me tell you something, y'all. 16 more days until, I'll be back a little later on, y'all, to make another video. Until then, I go with love.